guys, my name is Rayona and welcome back to my channel. The hair comes with a few pieces of hair jewelry and a crochet hook. This hair is from the Wiccan store on Amazon. This is their color TBUG Pre-Twisted Passion Twist. It's 18 inches and is synthetic hair. And each pack of hair is 12 twists. It comes with 7 packs for a total of 84 twists. Now that is not a lot of twists, and I wasn't sure if that would be enough hair to complete the style, so you're going to have to watch until the conclusion of the video to see if it was. At the end of the hair, the twists are rather skinny and look a little dry. The hair is also a little frizzy, but other than that, it is soft and the color looks vibrant. It starts with the burgundy and black color and then goes to bright red. I decided to create an illusion side part. So first I parted my hair where I wanted my side part to be, and then I made a part for my first individual braid. Then I used Shine and Jam on my roots. Next I used Cream of Nature Argan Oil throughout the section of my hair. Then I just started braiding the individual braids for this row, but I only braided the individual braids about an inch or so down. Then I just braided the remaining hair in that row into one braid. After that, I sectioned my hair off to start another braid. I grabbed those individual braids and braided them with this new braid. I then repeated those same steps to create another illusion part. Next, I just braided the rest of my hair straight back. This is what the braids look like for the illusion part, and I didn't braid the ends of my hair yet because I'll be connecting the ends of my braids to one another. And this is what the braid pattern looks like. I have 12 braids in my head, so I braided my braids together in groups of 2. Then I used my thread and hair needle to sew my braids into an upward pattern. And it took me about an hour to braid and sew my hair. To crochet the hair, I just inserted my crochet hook where I wanted to place the twist, then inserted the hook onto the twist's pre-loop. I took the crochet hook out and I opened the twist's pre-loop. I pulled the twist through and then I just tightened it. And this is what I did with all of my twists. I spaced my twist out more than I usually would because I was worried it wouldn't be enough hair. For the illusion part, I just crocheted one twist onto the start of each individual braid. So guys, this is the final look. What do you think? It took me another hour to actually crochet the hair. This is how the part turned out. The part was made to look like the twists were actually coming out of my scalp. Now, the hair was pretty easy and quick to crochet, but some of the loops were really frizzy, and this is what the back of the hair looks like. It looks pretty full, and you can't see much of my braids underneath. But guys, I did not have enough hair, so I wasn't able to complete the style. And if you want to use this hair, I suggest getting 2 orders of the twist. 1 order isn't enough. So guys, let me know what you think of the braid pattern, the parts, and the hair. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know any other type of videos you want to see from me. And thanks for watching.